carpenter's son didn't measure up. Those rich boys kept turning their heads. I'd laughed and fun and met their jokes. Young Bailey just lay down and blow their smokes. When they cut down, he turned to them and said, yes, I am a carpenter's son. Work with my dad until the job gets done. I work with the wood and a hammer and nail, and deal with the love that never fades. And he told them a story that came from above about a man whose only crime was love. Yet they nailed him to a tree. He said he was the son of an average Joe, but every man would have lost his soul. He hadn't died on Calvary. Yes, he was a carpenter's son. He worked with his dad until the job gets done. He worked with the wood and hammer and nails, and deal with the love that never fails. So you should never judge a man by what his job is here on earth. 'Cause when you're looking to the outside, it's hard to see just what he's worth. Let this be a lesson for the whole world to see. 'Cause when you're talking to the stranger, you never know who it might be. Yes, he is the carpenter's son, working with his father till the job gets done. He worked with the wood and hammer and nails, and he died on the cross with a hammer and nails. But he built with the love that never fails. Was a carpenter's son. Ooh, carpenter's son. Was a carpenter's son. Carpenter's son.